What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So this is just a quick video announcing that the second part of the lesson on Who Knows by the band of Gypsys, Jimi Hendrix, is out now. It's available at GuitarForce.com. The link is in the description box down below. And if you get both parts at the same time, you can get a discount. And this also applies to the people who got the first part before the release of the second. So just contact me at GuitarForce.com@gmail.com. and I'll arrange everything. And right now I'm just going to show you a little bit of sort of preview of the playthrough of the second part, and you're going to get the full playthrough of the second part with the download as well as the video lesson, the tabs and the full backing track. And I'm going to also post a link to the cover playthrough of the entire song, which is going to be on my other channel when it comes out. So the link is also going to be in the description box down below. You can check out all of the parts, how they are played. And yeah, if you're interested in the lesson, the link is in the description box down below. Thanks very much for checking this video out. Hopefully I'll see you in the lesson. Till next time, take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.